Hello juniors, and welcome back to Computer Systems and Programming. For this video we are going to be going over Scratch and the Scratch plan and the final Scratch game and the Scratch tutorials. Alright, so for the Scratch tutorials, Scratch comes preloaded with 10 plus tutorials on how to start programming in Scratch. For the Scratch tutorials that you have due at the end of this release, you are going to make a Google document called My Scratch Tutorials, where you will use this document for all of the links to the games that you make. So what you will want to do is to navigate to Scratch. I added a link here for you. And you are going to either want to sign in if you already have an account, or you are going to want to join Scratch and make an account. So I already have one. So I'm going to sign in. And to find the tutorials, you are going to go to Create, and then it's going to say Creating Project, and to find the tutorials, you are going to go here to Tutorials, and here is where you will find the 6 that I would like you to do. For instance, the Getting Started, the Pawn Game, so for this one, say you go to Get Started, and here is where you will find the tutorials to walk you through all of them. And here is your navigation bar. Now you will start the tutorials. For each of the tutorials below, make a new Scratch project and complete the tutorial from start to finish, following the steps given by Scratch. To find the tutorials, click on the tips, and then on the right hand of the screen, a new window should pop up. Then click on the tutorial. Here are the 6 tutorials that I would like you to complete in total. Once finished with each tutorial, you must make the game public by sharing it and copy and paste the link into your My Scratch Tutorials document. Make sure I can tell which link is to which tutorial. Also make sure the link is to the project page, not the editor. And for your Scratch plan, this is the idea building one. You're going to go to the Canvas assignment and go to the text box. First, you're going to write down 6 ideas for games that you can make in Scratch using the skills you learned in the tutorials. Then select the idea that you like best and use this idea to write a detailed explanation of it. You are going to say what the game is, how you play the game, what are the key features of this game, and then the step-by-step plan on how you will make this game. For example, for instance, make the character, add code to let the character go up and down, etc. Your job is to plan a game. It is okay if the original plan is different from your final game. And then for your final Scratch game, so you're making the plan here for your final Scratch game. Your final Scratch game will use the skills learned in the tutorials to create the game you planned out. Make sure to add instructions to your project page and credits to yourself. That is all I have for you guys today. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to me. My email is slbauer2@wisc.edu. That is slbauer2@wisc.edu. And don't hesitate to come to my student hours. All right, I'll see you guys all later.